Hey everyone, talking about scents of wood, Hinoki and Hinoki. Yes, it arrived. So I did a previous review on this, and if you've seen that, you know that I love this scent. It's very rare for me to consider something full bottle worthy, but this made the cut for me. So let's check it out. First of all, nice, cool, like little wood panel thing on that. Back, sorry for the lack of extreme high quality clarity, but for me, it's not so much about the small details on a package anyway. Ooh, that is nice. Wow. So, yep, there's the box. Do you keep your boxes? Let me know in the comments because I don't, usually just a spacing thing, and I figure I'm pretty unlikely to sell it if it's one of the rare ones that is full bottle worthy. Wow. This is even nicer than I thought it would be because, first of all, you never know once you see a picture of something online, you don't know when it gets there if it's going to feel cheap or if the cap's not going to, be solid enough, or kind of just there's so many things that can go wrong with it. But first of all, this is heavy in a really nice way. For example, when I had some recent unboxing videos with some Comme des Garçons fragrances, was excited about them, and the cap just felt so cheap, which is not the end of the world or anything. I care more about the scent than the cap quality, but it is really nice when it just feels like, damn, quality. So that's cool. I guess it's like supposed to be a tree branch thing. I was thinking that these were supposed to look like anatomical hearts with the kind of, ventricles or whatever this part would be, but I guess it's really more about probably like tree branch stuff, but I love the way this looks. So got this thing tied around it, and it says the name Hinoki and Hinoki. Wow, this just feels so nice. It reminds me of like the outside of a fruit or something, like an orange or grapefruit type of thing in terms of the texture on there. Let's spray this. Oh, that's such a nice atomizer. Oh my god, it's so good. I love that because sometimes when a bottle gets here, well, actually, every time I'm always concerned that what if I wasn't really as good as I'm remembering, or like what if it needs to macerate or whatever. Like so many people say, oh, when you first get a bottle, you have to do a bunch of sprays and then wait 3 months for it to smell good. And I believe that that's probably the case sometimes, but that has never been my experience. It's always smelled good right away. So I guess that depends, but it's certainly not a requirement every time. Refresher, the notes in this are white thyme, cypress, clove leaf, olibanum, cedarwood, moss, cashmeran, and of course, hinoki. I cannot say enough good things about this. If you want a more in-depth review about the actual scent, you can check out my video that's, called review or whatever of Hinoki and Hinoki. But wow, this is a must try. I'll put a link in this description where you can get a bottle or a sample right now, summer 2022. You can get this and a few other ones directly from Sense of Wood for 25% off. That's the best deal you're going to get. Normally it is $240. This was $180. There was no tax. There was no shipping charge. Maybe if you're in the same state they ship from, I believe it's Utah, then there would be tax for you, but there wasn't for me in California. Wow, though. God, this is just stunning, and I'm so glad that I liked one of their scents enough for it to be full bottle worthy, because some of the scents that I've ended up feeling that way about, it's like, okay, the bottle is just whatever. So it's really nice when it lines up with something this good. Oh, man, please check this out if you like woodsy scents. I'm not even a woodsy scent fan. I just really like Hinoki, but this does such a nice, like, good combination of a tiny bit of smoky, like woodsy, like relaxing, but also invigorating. Little aromatic spice and plenty of Hinoki. So yeah, check it out, and check out anything you can get your hands on in terms of a sample by Sense of Wood, because everything I've tried from them so far has been so high quality, and now that I can actually see the packaging as well, that trend just continues. So yeah, if you have any other questions about it, let me know, but highly, highly, highly recommend this. And yeah, just wow, love it.